think they all flew away. Oh, there they go. Yes. This is the downside. Look at that road, baby. Um, of this. The bird's nests. The bird poo. This is just like a little pavilion. Like you can see the other, there's more nest up there. And the birds are just living here, living their best lives. So to them, they're living their best lives up here. Um, but unfortunately, like they're messy. And then they're going to have babies. And like last spring, like it's not a very secure place. And then something comes and anyway, Chris is going to cover the hole, like, so we can't have birds having nests in here. They're making a mess. Even though we're going to be getting rid of the wood burner, and we parked the trailer with the wood here. It just they're just the birds are too messy. So, and before spring hits and they have their babies and their little eggs, um, it's like we got a couple warm days coming after all those storms that he's going to start working on here. We got electrical out here to drop some lights. He's going to put some soffit up and just, yeah, unfortunately, we need the birds to relocate because they have caused, I mean, they're, Tater likes to watch them from the window right there, but unfortunately, they are messy and I like them, but and I like to feed the birds, but this is not the place. They need to go find another home. Getting all set. Gotta get his supplies. So yeah, we park our trailer to feed the wood burner, but we decided we're not doing the wood burner. It's too time consuming, and when we're gone to auctions all day on Saturday, you and then Chris is thinking about getting up in the middle of the night because it was so cold. Yeah, we just decided that that's not our jam. Two winters of it was enough. But you can see like, oh, they're just so messy. And I think this is the only reason they built this was to store their wood. Um, and it would kind of be a pain to move, but yeah, look at all that little that bird boo boo. But so yeah, like every peak that there possibly is, there's like birds nests. Um so they're gonna have to relocate. I'm sorry. It's getting to be spring, so there's plenty of trees. There's forest, there's neighbor's house. They can go there. He likes to watch the birds. He sits on the well, he says I like to watch the birds though, but maybe we'll put a birdhouse up or something. I don't know, but Tater, yes, yes, Tater rug. It's all about Tater. He's such a sweet little boy. He says I'm so sweet though. Oh, nope, yep. Now, there they come back. They've came back, haven't they? Now that I left.
We got to do something with the mats though.
I'm pretty sure it probably scared all the birds away. But it has started. It's so nice to have somebody that's handy. And his name's not even Andy. That's his brother's name, actually.
What? This cross piece here, I put that in because I didn't want to get, this is 16 foot long. I didn't want to get 16-foot 2x4s. One, I'd have to trailer them out here or something. So not fitting in the van. So putting this halfway through, I can run 8 foot on each side. So the ceiling joist, I guess you could say, are going to run this way. This is just over 11 foot wide, and the vinyl soffit that mounts up underneath to make the ceiling is 12 foot long. So it's going to work out just about perfect. We won't have a seam in it.
Awesome. And then the cutouts you said are going here.
Yes.
That
Yep.
extra
Just like
little.
on the house. You can see them on the house on the overhangs.
I'm sure y'all know what soffit is, but yeah, that stuff.
So they'll get put into, I've got F channel and J channel to replace this because I'm not taking this off
Yeah.
to run it.
Yeah, when the electrical they came, he was gonna do a light out here, but he's decided to do 2 lights underneath.
Yes, which they did wire for that. So I've got wire hanging here, which goes to, I believe, this switch. So I'll have lights centered in this bay and this bay. But like I said, we really won't use this that much. One man job, you know.
Hey, I can come out and help you. Work smarter, not harder. Checking for level.
Cutting these out to go in between the 2x4s so I can get it up as high as possible.
So the little critters can't get up there. say, did you have marks on there? Because how did you know where to cut?
I marked it
Oh,
already.
okay. I see the pencil marks now. I'm like, how did he know? I would have lost count. It's just smart like that. So are these just for support right there, or is that where you're putting the lights?
This is going to be the light in this corner.
Oh, okay.
And then I put that on there to give it stability on coming down.
Okay. I see. Looking good.
Yeah.
That one wasn't so bad because you didn't have to do all the cuts. You only had to do one. Well, probably had to cut, but I could already envision it. Unfortunately, the birds need to find a new home, but there's plenty of trees.
You weren't even looking. You're just kind of standing.
Well, what else was I supposed to do? I was just holding a level. I did my part, right? I just held the level. That's all. Do you need me to hold up that end?
No, I got this one. Here.
You got this one? Okay, okay. I was just trying to be helpful. first piece is the hardest. Oh, electrical.
You want to grab the stool and bring it over here so you can sit in the center?
Yep.
Just right here. Hold it up. Whoa.
Why you make it look so easy? It's like I've never used this tool before. I didn't even get it. I'm fired. Why can't I do it? Oh, jeez.
Okay. Good job.
You're welcome. Would have been, yeah, it was kind of breaking it, so. You don't want it to fall down.
No, I don't want to do this again.
I'd like to say one and done.
What?
One and done?
Yeah. It's got to go above it or, yeah.
Okay. Got some swag there.
128 3/4. So it goes right there. Yep. In that channel now. Just gonna do a few, so
Yeah,
hold it
just
in place.
hold it. Oh.
Or not.
Yeah. Not strong enough. Not at a big enough head.
What's that?
Not a big enough head on it. Just pokes right through.
You got to go behind that. There you go. Ian.
I think so. Oh, that part isn't. That's why.
Ian.
Yep. Was there a joke there?
No, just watched you working.
Struggle. Watch me on the struggle bus. I can't say I've ever done soffit before, so.
I haven't done it in a while. I think the last time I did it was the front porch, their old house.
Oh. Huh. That was 20 some years ago.
20 some. Probably closer to 30.
Shh.
Okay.
I understand the concept now. Don't do that.
What?
Don't do that. That hurts.
Okay.
See, that's what I would have done.
Well, these are lights that we're going to put in under the pavilion awning thing.
Yeah.
All right. So these will get actually mounted underneath the fascia or the soffit. And then the light will get mounted to that. So really, all you're going to see is here on down. And then this globe fits on it.
That's glass, isn't it?
This is actual glass, yeah.
They're old, aren't they? Ish.
Oldish. I mean,
got 'em
they
at
still. I think
auction.
they still use them.
I'm an auction.
So, but what Yvonne is going to do is she's going to paint this part black and the screw heads black.
Could do that.
And the rest is up to you.
Okay. Okay, tag. I can take over. You know, they put stickers and I'll take it off for you. No problem.
Okay.
They always have to put tags in the weirdest places, don't they? Like, nobody want to see that. It's glass. It's nice ceramic, though. Yes, we could leave them galvanized, but all the other outside ones are um, black. Okay. Oh, that one had more tag on it too. Okay. I mean, really pretty easy to paint. Don't want to paint this part. Of course, I don't need to paint these, so we'll just take them. I just need to paint that half. And he said it didn't matter. I can just spray paint the whole thing because I just needed. I'm going to be spraying. It's going to get over spray anyway. Go to. It's my go to. Always. Like this. I know the whole boxes don't need it, but you know, I'm going for it. Oh. Elliptical. Share that my side wasn't in all the way. Luckily, I noticed it when I went behind. Now he has to take all the nails out. Don't trust me. I was not locked. Not all the way.